Hi everyone, this is Daria from Golden Brows, and today I want to introduce you to our newest product, which is Ghost, the tattoo removal saline solution system. Our product is coming in two separate bottles, and this is the key benefit of having the ingredients separately, is that there is literally no expiration date. And it will last you for many procedures, so you definitely don't want it to expire soon. So it's separately sold with the liquid, and you can mix, and another benefit is that you can adjust the concentration and how strong you want to make it. So I think that the biggest benefit is that I can make the paste and make it very concentrated with salt as much as I want, and therefore you can get better results. So in general, this is salt saline solution removal system. It's 100% natural. There is no acidic and like chemicals in it. And it works with the process of osmosis, where when the salt is reaching the pigment, it helps to leave the pigment with the scalp. And it's not going through your lymphatic system like it's happening when you do laser removal. When the laser breaks the particles of the pigments, what happens in the pigments are moving through your lymphatic system. So compared to the saline solution and laser, this is much more natural and more safe. I've been doing over decade saline solution removal, and I never had any scar tissue issues compared to what I heard from acidic removal. So I am a strong believer of salt removal. Of course, it's not a magic, you know, it needs some time, it needs some process. The result depends on how old is the pigment, how deep is sitting on under the epidermis, how many procedures have been done, you know. But in general, it's very effective way, and in general, we are allowed to do this procedure compared to laser, where it's under the doctor, you know. So I'm gonna show you how to mix it and how to prepare, so you know your mixture. Okay. Thank you. So it comes in two bottles. As usual, Golden Brows packaging is always outstanding and beautiful, and it comes with a small spoon where you can grab some salt. So what I do first, I have like an ink cap, and you push and open, and you grab with the spoon salt and add it to the cap. And if you want it more concentrated, you can add like 2 salt spoons and very little liquid. So as you're adding the liquid, just add it drop by drop. So you see it, you want it to be more pasty. Like 5-6 drops, I think it's enough. And then you mix it with a toothpick and make it really nice, thick paste. So how you work with it, you can dip with your needles, and remember, when you're doing tattoo removal, you don't want to use small needles configuration. You want larger group needles, like 5 round, 7 round, or like 9 magnum. So for example, when I do removal of like bigger areas like eyebrows, I use 9 magnum. When I do like removal of eyeliner wing or like lip outline, I use 5 round. And you can let your needles soak the solution, and you work with it. And then at the end, when you're done breaking the skin, you leave the product for 10 minutes and clean it very well. Don't leave it more than 10 minutes because it can burn the skin. So 10 minutes, you clean it, and then that's pretty much it. For me, from my experience, it's the way how you properly open the skin is very important. It's not just like doing circles and doing whatever, you know, take to break the skin. Of course, you will get some results, but in order to get even better results, you need to actually get out the first layers of the epidermis to reach this part. But you need to be very gentle and very careful not to go too deep, because then you can cause the scar tissue. So in general, we teach it in our online classes, and I've been doing again for over a decade the tattoo removals, and we found the way how you brush the skin, how you prepare the skin, so you can get even better results with the removal solution, you know. So pretty much that's it. And to mention a couple of more benefits is that you can remove any color, and including the titanium dioxide with this salt solution system. And also it's suitable and for body and for face body art. So in general, you don't want, if you're doing removing body art, don't work more than 4 by 4 centimeters, you know, like this area, and you can make it in pieces. For example, if you have big sleeve, you can do like 4 by 4 piece here, then leave a little bit space in between, 4 by 4, 4 by 4, you know, like this. And then when the scabs peel off, you can go and work in between the areas. So you can have like more repeated and more faster treatments this way. So I hope you enjoyed our video, and if you like this kind of content, subscribe and please share and comment and like. Thank you so much. Bye everyone.